In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix it when Wi-Fi is not working on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Starting off on the Roku home screen, go ahead and scroll down or just scroll up once until you see settings and open it up. From here, scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is going to be your system settings all the way down towards the very bottom. Open those up as well, and then once again, scroll all the way down and select Advanced System Settings. On your Advanced System Settings, just scroll over to the right, and you're going to see a little Network Connection Reset option right here. Select Reset Connection, and what this will do is erase your saved Wi-Fi networks and restart your Roku device. Confirm the reset, wait for the Roku to reboot, and from here go back to your base settings just like so, but this time go ahead and go to network and go specifically to the setup connection tab right here. From here, go ahead and reconnect your Wi-Fi network and test to see if that connection actually does work. If you're still having issues though, try power cycling your routers. So unplug your router for about 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in and reconnect your Roku. It really is as simple as that. That is how you could fix Wi-Fi issues on a Roku TV or streaming device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.